If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we're gonna be making MANDUA. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: take some fennel seeds, cloves, black cardamom and black pepper in a blender and blend to make a powder of it, from which we need about a tablespoon of that. Then 2/3 cup of jaggery or gur, 1 cup of wheat flour or atta, a 1/4 cup of ghee and half a teaspoon of salt. Now take a pan and in that add about 1 cup of water, followed by all the jaggery, and over medium flame boil this for a couple of minutes till the gur is completely dissolved. Then to that add the ghee, salt and the powder and mix it up really well. Now before adding the flour, lower the flame to low, then add all the flour and keeping it on low flame, continuously you need to stir it to combine them really well. And after some time you will notice the water content will be reduced, and also because of the ghee, the flour mixture will not stick to the sides of the pan, as you can see. So at this stage, switch off the flame and let it cool completely. Then after that, remove it to a plate or a bowl and knead it. Now take a small portion of the dough and shape it like a ball first. Then placing it in your palm, flatten it a little, just like this. But it should not be too thin, else these will break while frying in the hot oil. Now for frying, take lots of ghee or oil in a pan and set the flame on medium. Then slide them one by one. So when these got brown color, remove them to a plate or a bowl and they should be done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, MANDUA. So do try this at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.